What inspires me and how old am I? You know, what inspires me actually is how old I am. My birthday is February 29th. And so, which is why I'm kind of fixated on time and like, oh, that shit is bullshit, all of it, because I've had 9 birthdays in my life. And so in your years, they would say that I'm 38. What can I do about that? I don't know. I like it. I prefer it. I take it over 28 and 18. But y'all don't know nothing about that. This whole shit was freestyle. Come on, son, what the fuck? You didn't hear any of that shit? These aren't books. No, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Those were blank books at one point. So, Raymond Joshua ended up running to Cuba, where he met Assata Shakur. And I'm making this up, but fuck it. She was much older than him, but they fell in love. And while he was in Cuba, he started practicing and studying like rumba and tap for some odd reason. He started writing graffiti on some of those old Fords that they have there, poems. He realized that the artwork and graffiti of Basquiat hadn't arrived there, so he stole the name Samo and started tagging it, origin of cotton, on cars in Cuba. Then they started Black August. He met M1 and from Dead Prez. And he had been drinking a lot of rum, got really drunk for a night, and he was trying to say something, but all he could get out was And before he knew it, someone stole that humming moment from him, and the rest is history. Bob Kaufman. That's probably my favorite performance poet, Bob Kaufman. If you don't know who Bob Kaufman is, Bob Kaufman was a beat poet. In fact, he coined the term beatnik.